Turn on the vehicle. Rotate the steering wheel to gain access to the screws underneath. Remove the screws. Remove the screw on the underside of the steering column cover. Using the pry tool, remove the lower steering column cover. Use the pry tool to unsnap the lower dash panel. If needed, you can insert the pry tool between the panels for easier access to the ECU. Remove the 30-pin connector from the ECU and plug the T-harness in line. Next, locate the 7-pin steering lock connector located to the back right side of the steering column. Remove the black 7-pin connector and plug the T-harness in line. Use the provided zip ties to secure the module. Installation is now complete.